Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to install these PMD blackouts for your headrests. The one I'm going to be using for the video is 1/4 inch thickness. I do sell them in 1/8 thickness, and this is the see-through blackout. First thing you want to do is just take this paper off, peel it off. Okay. Flip it over and peel the other side. Alright, so it doesn't matter which side goes which way. It doesn't really matter. So you just take the blackout and you set in there at the bottom first. Okay. Just like that. You kind of push it about halfway through. And then you push the top through until it hits that edge there. And that's it. That's pretty much it. You can install it from the back side too if you want to, but this seems to work out nice and easy from the front side. And that's pretty much it. Repeat the same thing on the other side and you're done. That's PMD inserts. And there's the PMD with the solid black. I want to show you guys real quick. I got them both done, and this to me looks more stealthy than the see-through blackouts because it's black, like jet black, just like the car. Sure, nobody can see through it, but we're not really trying to be like the show and get behind the seat and actually drive the car from behind the seat, so that doesn't really matter. The point is to make it look stealthy and look cool, just like in the show. Okay, and there you go. That's how it looks. If you guys need one of these, I will sell these on my website as well. Solid black, non-see-through.